Alright, now that we're somewhat far along, now we have to go in and be able to save our code, right? We don't want the code to be in a position where we lose it randomly, or we want to access it on different computers, right? We want to be able to access it. Now we can do that. There's this thing called GIT. So just write GIT download. Or open up GIT downloads. Alright. Click on this. Click Windows or Mac, whatever. Click here to download the latest. I'm gonna click this. Yes. Changes, install. I'm actually getting a new version, so I'm not gonna only show new options because I wanna get all of this. Okay. So, alright. And we're going to finish. Now you should get downloaded. If there's any problems, just let me know. But now that you've get downloaded, what you can do is you're gonna go back to VS Code and you're gonna go into your thing, and so you've got your env, which I won't click on because it's obviously my stuff. You've got your Python file. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to source control. It's gonna be here saying all this stuff. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to publish to GitHub. So here you're gonna do I would start with a private. You're gonna click private, you're gonna unclick.env, so only the Python file. Click OK. It's gonna publish GitHub, finish uploading files. Now it should be done. So now we're gonna go to GitHub. Go right here. Now DCBot. And so you can see here it has test.py, which has all of our Python code. And then it also has this git ignore, which says ./env. What this means is that when we upload it, it will not, we won't be adding in our .env, so we are hiding it so that people online can't see our token. So let's say we change that. It's right here. Let's just print hello world. Right? Okay, so now we're going to save it, and there's a change, right? So now it's going to be 1 here. Okay, so it's going to have changes. So what you have to do is you have to click plus here to stage the changes. Then you have to write a message here. If you don't write a message here, it's going to bug out. So I'm going to show you, don't have a message, go like that, and it's just going to be ticking right that, nothing happens. You're going to have to X out, and then reopen DCBot. So you have to go back here, stage, you have to write something. So let's say added hello world. We're gonna commit sync changes. Okay. Good. Now we're gonna go into reload. And here, added hello world. Click on this, print hello world is now in our code. What we can do is we can then go into the history. Right? We can see the different commits. We can click here. Look at this. We can see there's no hello world here. Right? What we can do is we can look at it, make comments on it, all of that, which is really cool. So just keep that in mind whenever you're done with the code that you're doing right then. You want to save it. Whatever you write here, just add a comment. Hi. Once you save it, it's going to show up here. Stage. Commit sync changes, just like that. And if you have multiple files, you add new files, all that stuff will be included. So that's Git really quickly. Thanks.